Hello, everyone. It has been a while since I've been on, and I apologize for that. But I'm not going to talk about that too much this video. I don't. It has to stop. Anyway, I did my monthly as best I could with what I know right now. Um, some things I want to do is really get up here and clean up and out my craft room. I've been saying that. I haven't been doing it because I honestly have had no desire whatsoever to come up the steps to go in my craft room. And partly it's because of the mess that is up here. It is disastrous. Partly I've lost my kind of desire to craft. I've mentioned that before. I'm going to really try in September to get back into that before the fall months. However, my priority is my health. So it is walking every day for at least 40 minutes, which is usually maybe not quite 2 miles. It's not that much. And if I go with my daughter, we do more than 2 miles. But um, I'm trying for every possible day that I can, weather permitting. And this next week, the weather is looking gorgeous, except maybe Saturday. But it looks like we might get early to noon showers that day, and the afternoon looks okay, and the temperature doesn't look like it's going to be horrible, although it's the hottest day of the week, I think. Anyway, I'll see if I can get at least some kind of walk in, maybe not as long. And I did that on a day last week that it was sort of iffy. It had rained, it was supposed to rain again, but I got some walking in regardless. Anyway, so yesterday my daughter and granddaughter were here. We had a nice early Labor Day celebration because it is Labor Day here in the US. So happy Labor Day to everyone in the US. Um, I did send out to those in my embellishments on the 11th collab. I sent out an updated participant list. We've added Fran Glinsky, that's her channel name, for starting in September on the 11th at noon. I am going to continue that collab this year, and if anyone's interested in participating, including the current participants, next year, please let me know. Send me an email. It'll be down in the description area if you click the more button under this video. Okay? If you want to do 2025. If I get enough interest, I'll probably do that one again in 2025. But if I don't, I may not, unfortunately. So we'll see. Anyway. All I'm doing is planning and stuff around the house a little bit today. Um, yeah, that's about, well, I did walk. Today I did walk. I have a university across the street from me. So I go over there. They have a road that goes near their ball fields, and it's pretty long. And if I do 4 of those and 2 total laps on my cul-de-sac street, it is somewhere between 1.8 and 2 miles, I think. I told my daughter yesterday she has to walk that again with me with her Fitbit thingy on because I don't have a way to tell how far I'm going. I just know I'm walking like 40 minutes every morning, and I try and do it like right after sunrise. It's quiet, it's peaceful. I see deer, sometimes see foxes, I've seen a hummingbird. It's been wonderful in the mornings early when it's quiet. Yeah. Um, Tomorrow, my main thing is, besides walking and eating, I'm also eating healthy. I am not on a diet. I am going for a low carb, healthy lifestyle. And I have been losing weight. I still have a lot of weight to lose, but I feel better. I feel like my clothes are fitting better. And I have a goal to lose another 8 pounds, which would be 10 pounds total from my last doctor visit by October 15th. One second. Okay, sorry about that. I got a notification from my security system, so I had to check into that because my mean neighbor is next door at my nice neighbor, but who's friends with mean neighbor, which I don't understand. But anyway, having a party today, which would be okay, except the dogs are running loose, not on a leash. Dogs, meaning me neighbor's dog and the other guy's dog. And there's children, and that's fine, but they're riding the big children, the mean child, not child, but he acts like it, is been riding a motorized, like a mini bike thing, and the dogs are chasing, and it's just noisy, and he's obnoxious. He's just obnoxious. Anyway, enough. Okay, I'll probably cut that part out. So I need to call my attorney because nice neighbor and the other neighbor whose driveway the easement was, and I have all agreed with through my attorney to get the easement removed, not removed from the deed, but to sign an agreement extinguishing the existence of the easement in the deeds. And we're hoping that'll go through, and they have all agreed to do that. So I just have to call her back and ask her what the next steps are. Wednesday evening, I'm babysitting. I'm probably going to try crafting Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm way behind on deck the year. I don't know if I'll be able to catch up, but I'm going to try and craft maybe these days for Thursday and Friday. I don't have anything written down. It'll probably either be crafting or cleaning in the craft room. And Saturday, well, that's the day that it's supposed to rain. So I had weeding and plant lilac bush, but that might actually end up being Sunday, which I had start craft room clean out there, but maybe I'll switch them. And then embellishments on the 11th is at noon Eastern. That's my collab. It has 8 regulars in it now, if everyone does their video this month. And also it's my Social Security payday, so I have to pay bills that day. So I have to work on embellishments somewhere in here. And yeah. And then my friend Sue, locally's birthday is on Friday the 13th, but if the weather permits, we're going to go to our favorite breakfast smorgasbord and then probably some thrift shopping after that. And we like the breakfast. It's, first it's cheaper, but it's really good. And the lunch is more expensive, and that way, actually, we have more time to thrift shop if we go in the morning. So anyway. Oh, and by the way, the 8th is Grandparents' Day, so if you're like me, happy grandparent. Okay. And then the 15th is Passion for Purple, hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick. I did not do last month. I would like to try and do something with it this month on this channel, probably. The 18th is Jewelry Making Fun Collab. That is my own collab on my Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More channel. I missed last month. I just was totally out of everything. But I'm going to try and do 2 months worth of jewelry making. So these days here have to be for jewelry making. And also I am going to a show at a theater on the 18th at actually at 5 p.m. But where my daughter goes into work on Wednesday, and where she works is on the way. So I'm going to pick her up at 4:20, and we're going to go watch it together. I'm dragging her along. It's not something she would normally go see, but oh well. And then the 20th, I'm having my furnace cleaned out, the annual clean out, and also Crack the Vault collab. So all this crafting I have to do has to be for Deck the Year, Passion for Purple, Jewelry Making Fun, and Crack the Vault collabs. And then the first day of autumn is the 22nd, everyone. Yikes. How did that happen? So I have not decorated my week yet, but I'm probably going to do it with some of these um, sort of bright, not real bright, but they're colorful. Colorful, and they have birds and things on them. That one says hello. I don't know. I haven't decided for sure yet. I have so much washi. I want something summery, so I might end up pulling out some tropical, oh, sorry, tropical stuff. And then, let's see. I do want to start the Gnome a Month series that I had mentioned before. I'm going to do it. I had said the last Monday, but I want it to be the 4th Monday because some months don't have 5 Mondays. So I'm going to say the 4th Monday, which will be the last Monday some months. And that might work out well because it's September, October, November, December, 4 months of gnomes. I don't know if it'll be cards or other things yet, maybe a combination. Honestly, I'm probably not going to be making as many cards. Yeah, I'm not feeling card making lately, so we'll see. And then the 27th, I had started a stencil a month or embossing folder a month series. These are series, not collabs. And I want to pick that up again too, because I like using stencils and doing things like that. And then on the 29th, mark your calendars at 8 a.m. There is a hop called Crafters Coffee Clutch 2024 hop. It is hosted by fashionably 50 something and beyond, Linnea, and it is National Coffee Day. So if you're interested in watching a bunch of people do whatever they want to do as long as it's coffee themed, it may not be paper crafts. It will be for me, but come see what everyone does. Some people could be baking. I won't be because I'm on low carb. I'm really, really trying, guys. I messed up a little bit yesterday, but I'm going back today to low carb. So anyway, I can't do like strict keto. I'm doing meat and vegetables mostly, but I also have some dairy, and I'm not doing all fatty meats like carnivore would be. So I'm definitely not doing carnivore-ish keto, because I like chicken and I don't like skin on chicken anymore and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's me. So that is what my September is looking for. The 30th would have been my mom's birthday. Hmm, I think it would have been her 96th, if I'm not mistaken. For this week, I already went through it all. Walk, 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 walk. This was just a note to me. I did my walking here, and I have obnoxious neighbors next door at the nicer neighbor's house being loud. And call the attorney, walk some more. I already put walk because I put it on the wrong day, but I will walk tomorrow 4+2 laps. And Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and maybe Saturday, but might not be in the morning. And or it might only be a short walk in the evening or something, just up and down the street, and walk on Grandparents' Day. That's all I have. Oh, and I'm babysitting Wednesday evening. Now, I didn't put my crafty stuff in here yet, and I didn't put the washi tape on, but those are my plans for the week. And Jazzy, I'm so sorry I haven't been participating. I have been sort of planning, but I'm keeping a separate book, and I am writing down every single thing that goes in my mouth. I'm writing down that I'm walking in there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I think I probably won't be back with a decorated planner this time. Next week. Next week I'll do it. Okay? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.